Look at this thing. Look at it. A chicken cutlet sandwich. Woo! All right, so we all know the meme of sad Keanu on a bench eating a sandwich. But I know for a fact that he wasn't sad. He was enjoying the out of that sandwich. Okay, I don't know for a fact, but I do know he said this: life is good when you have a good sandwich. So he isn't wrong. Let's make a sandwich. Just a friendly reminder to always be careful when handling raw chicken breasts. Lots of hand washing and cleaning in between. We're gonna prepare our cutlets, so grab a boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we're gonna slice right in the middle to create 2 halves. Grab some saran wrap, we're gonna cover our chicken breast, and then we're gonna pound away until the whole chicken breast is about the same size and thickness. This next step is optional, but it's gonna create a more juicy, moist chicken breast. And with a boneless, skinless chicken breast, we kinda need the help. So I'm gonna make a brine here. Grab yourself a bowl, 1/4 cup of salt, 4 cups of warm water, and we're just gonna whisk until everything's diluted. And then place your chicken in the brine, cover it with saran wrap, put it in the fridge, and let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then just let osmosis do its thing. That salt water is gonna get into the chicken, and it's gonna create a nice, tender, flavorful, juicy chicken breast. Next, we're gonna grab some fresh parsley and finely chop it up. Dried parsley will work here too. And this is for the bread mixture. And then we're gonna grate some pecorino romano for our egg mixture. Hate it when that happens. And now it's bomba mayo time. I really hope that you guys have been able to try to get out there and find bomba sauce, because damn, it's good. All you're gonna do is add equal parts of bomba and mayo and then mix it up. Oh yeah, you can try this on fries and you can thank me in the comments. Time to set up our dredging and breading station. To one plate, we're gonna add flour, salt, freshly cracked pepper, and smoked paprika, and then just give it a little mix. And then in a shallow bowl, crack a couple eggs, add your pecorino romano, and whisk well. Last is the breadcrumbs. I do a mixture of regular unseasoned breadcrumbs, and then for that crunch, I add a nice handful of panko. Add your fresh parsley, some dried oregano, and season with salt and pepper. Oh yeah, and if you want some heat, add some dried chili, and then just give it a mix. Okay, it's time. You're gonna grab your chicken out of the brine, rinse it under some water, and now it's time to start the process. All right, so grab your chicken breast, coat in the flour nicely, then add it to the egg mixture, coat it nicely, and then add it to the bread mixture, coat it nicely, give it a little shake, add to a plate, and then we can fry it up. Before we fry our chicken though, we're gonna toast our bread. Add some butter to a pan and then lightly toast. I prefer lightly toasted because I want the bread to still be soft. But hey, toast to your desired preference. Once the bread is done, whether it's a light toasting or a dark toasting, set it aside. In that same pan, we're gonna add extra virgin olive oil, enough oil to cover about half of the chicken breast. Now it's time to fry it up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna fry up our chicken. Place your chicken in slowly and away from you, just to avoid any splatter of oil. Once your chicken is done, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the chicken cutlet, you're gonna remove to a plate lined with paper towel and sprinkle some flaky salt on, and then just set aside. Now we're gonna make our arugula salad to go on the sandwich. We're doing this now so that it hasn't been sitting out and it's not getting soggy. You're gonna add your arugula, extra virgin olive oil, salt, freshly cracked pepper, and some lemon juice, and then just give it a toss. Now it's time to build that sandwich. Grab your lightly toasted bread, or dark toasted, grab your bomba mayo, and add a nice layer of it on the piece of bread. Then add your arugula, and then we're gonna add some tomato slices, and don't forget, always season your tomato slices with salt and freshly cracked pepper. And then grab some fresh mozzarella. You can either cut it or tear it apart, put it on top, and then top it with the chicken cutlet. But that's not it. We're adding salami, hot or sweet. Why? Why not? Finish with some more bomba mayo on that other piece of bread, obviously. Look at this beautiful sandwich. Look at the layers. Everything just looks so comfortable in between the bread. Damn. Whew. Wow, Keanu was right. Life is good when you have one of these. Hope you guys give this a go, and as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.